Meaning of decongestant.
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 Decongestant. A decongestant is a type of medication that helps to alleviate nasal congestion, which is the blockage or stuffiness in the nose. Decongestants work by shrinking the blood vessels in the nasal passages, reducing inflammation and swelling in the tissue lining the nose. This can help to open up the airways and improve breathing. As a result, decongestants may make it easier to breathe, reduce snoring, and relieve symptoms of conditions such as allergies, sinusitis, and the common cold. However, decongestants should be used only as directed and for short-term relief of symptoms.